girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Sabrina Carpenter, Vicious. So this one goes pretty much in the same with the entire song. We love that, and it's pretty easy and simple to play, easy chords. Yeah, let's start. No need for any capo, and we have 5 chords in this one. So let's start with the chords. The G first, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. D next, so that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have F. So a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so we'll start the song here. Look at the strumming pattern. We have 2 pretty similar strumming patterns, one with some claps and one without. We'll start with the one without, and that will be 6 downs in total. We'll use downs only, no ups in the song. And the first chord will be G, so we'll look at the strumming with G. So it will be 6 downs in total. You will start with 5 fast downs, then a short pause, and then you play the 6th down. So it will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pause and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the rhythm here to start with, and we will have 1 round will be the 6 downs. So the chord progression here will be G2, or actually G4, because it's G2, then G2 again, and then F2 and G2. So we can say G4, just to summarize this, make it as clear as possible here. G4, F2, and G2. That is 1 chord progression. You will play that for 2 rounds, and that will be your first verse. 1 chord progression round will sound like this: G, F, F, and G, G. And that is 1 round. Play that for 2 rounds, and that is your first verse. Then comes the chorus, and here we will use a different strumming pattern. It's based upon the same principle here, but we will add claps now in different places, on 2 places here. So if you imagine, you still keep that 5 downs, you will have a clap now, which will replace the 3rd down. Okay, so it will be 1, 2, clap, 4, 5. And on the 6th down, you will replace that as well with a clap. So use the same principle here. Claps on 3rd and the 6th down. So down, down, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, down, clap, 4, 5, clap. Down, down, clap, 4, 5, clap. 1, 2, clap, 4, 5, clap. Alright, so that is what we're gonna use here for the chorus. The chord progression will be G1, C1, E minor 1, and D1. We will do it again: G1, C1, and E minor 1, and then no D in the end there, because it's just vocal gotta be so vicious. So that's just the vocal parts. So G, 1, C1, E minor 1, D1, and then G1, C1, E minor 1. That is the chorus, and after this comes the instrumental part of middle play. You'll play 2 rounds of G, okay, with the standard strumming for the verse. And then starts the second verse. That is G4, C2, G2, then F2, and C2. Okay, so there's nothing new when it comes to the playing, so that's why I just mentioned the chords and amount of times you're going to do the strumming there. Same strumming as in the first verse. G4, C2, G2, F2, and C2. That takes us to the second chorus, okay? So you will play G1, C1, E minor 1, and D1, okay? That chord progression with the same strumming as in the first chorus, it will play for 4 rounds, and that will be the second chorus. Then comes a bridge part, and the lyrics, oh no, why you gonna be so, oh, why you gonna be so vicious, and so on. You will just continue the same way of playing as in this second chorus. E minor 1, D1, G1, and C1. Just a different order there. So E minor 1, D1, G1, and C1. Same strumming as in the chorus. You do that for 4 rounds, and that is the bridge parts. Then comes the final outro parts. You're gonna play G1, C1, E minor 1, and D1. Okay? So now you go back to the chorus play, and you play that chord progression for 2 rounds, and that will wrap it up for Sabrina Carpenter's Vicious. So basically one rhythm here, down, 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 or down, down, clap, down, down, clap, and the rest is just letters and numbers. Very easy to handle these chords. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope that helped, and if it did, please a thumb up. Play tune.